Patio season means tearing off that otherwise foreboding barbecue weather cover, sweeping away all the leaves, breaking out the pressure washer and setting out your outdoor deck furniture. With the promise of a warm, enjoyable summer ahead, just about anyone would be game for a good old-fashioned patio party. But just one thing's missing: the deck is comfortable for entertaining guests, but the warming fire pit rests in the yard. Believe it or not, you actually can have the best of both worlds. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best fire pit for wood deck on the market. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Number 1. Yahitech 32 in Patio Garden Stove Wood Burning Fire Pit. We've had this thing for about 5 days and it's gone through an intense storm that produced a couple of tornadoes and a tree falling on it, and it's holding up fine. We haven't noticed any dents or anything in it either. How? No clue. This thing is a miracle. My husband doesn't like how the grate to put over it to grill things is very close to the fire, so he prefers to let the fire die out a lot before trying to cook anything over it, but honestly, I wish he didn't cook anything this way. Our dog likes to go after what we cook on it, and it's low, so I'm sure if we turned our backs for a second, our dog would try to go after this sweet treat and end up burning himself a little. Other than that, we love it. My husband always talks about sitting in front of a fire pit, so I purchased this one as a gift to him. He put it together quickly and set out up in the backyard. It's very heavy, sturdy, and in my opinion well worth the money. We have already used it 3 or 4 times. And those late night dates by the fire were everything. Pros: multi-purpose, waterproof protective cover, safe and amp, secure, applicable fuel, wood, charcoal. Cons: rather difficult to assemble but worth the effort. Number 2. Singlifire 22-inch fire pit for outside outdoor wood. Durable and amp, rust-resistant, made of durable heavy-duty steel frame, mesh crucibles are treated with high-heat paint. Can be used for a long time. Easy to setup, comes with installation instructions and tools, simply attach the 4 legs and outer rim in minutes. Safety: equipped with fire poker and spark screen. Use poker to move wood, lift the lid will be safer. Spark screen can avoid potentially dangerous fly ash. Size: overall size, 24-inch by 20-inch H, load capacity, 100 lbs, suitable for a party of 3 to 5 people. Perfect for bonfire in backyard, camping, beach, parties, RV trips. What you get: Singlifire 22-inch fire pit, fire poker, mesh spark screen, log grate, installation instruction. Our 1-year warranty service and amp, 24/7 friendly customer service. Pros: small and portable design, strong and sturdy, durable and rust-proof, intimate and safe. Cons: easy to move, but cheaply made. Number 3. Tiki brand 25-inch stainless steel smokeless fire pit. Smokeless fire pit, with a heat radius of 4 feet and an internal airflow system to reduce excessive smoke and ash for a cozy bonfire experience. Accessories provided: includes a stand, a weather-resistant cover, and a wood pack. Easy fire: the included wood pack makes starting the fire easy, and grants approximately 30 minutes of burn time alone. Outdoor ready: fire pit is constructed with 16-gauge stainless steel and a weatherproof powder-coated black finish to protect it against rain or other elements. Patio-sized: this convenient fire pit has a 25-inch outside diameter with an approximately 16-inch depth and internal diameter, measuring 75-inch x 75-inch x 75-inch. Constructed with 16-gauge stainless steel and durable weatherproof powder-coated exterior in black. Pros: easy to assemble, stainless steel, pellet bags, easy to clean. Cons: great design, QC matte. Number 4. Sunnydays 24-inch outdoor cauldron fire pit. Large size: this steel cauldron fire pit is perfect to have many people around for a bonfire in the patio, yard, or garden with an overall 24-inch diameter x 23-inch height, while weighing 20 pounds. The backyard bonfire pit is 16 inches tall without the spark screen, while each of the 3 legs are 6 inches tall. Heavy-duty design. This round wood-burning fire pit is made from durable thick steel construction and features a beautiful dark bronze finish. With its portable function, the steel fire pit can be moved anywhere and has a decorative cauldron style that complements any outside decor style. Fire protection. The outdoor fire pit with screen included will protect you and your guests from flying sparks. This patio wood-burning fire pit also comes with a built-in wood grate for better airflow and poker tool to easily control the flame and lift the mesh screen protector, so no worrying about burning hands. Pros: easy to set up, worry-free purchasing, lightweight, easy to assemble. Cons: raised grate is only 1 inch. Number 5. Pleasant Hearth Martin Extra Deep Wood-Burning Fire Pit. Cool summer nights, great friends, fabulous food and laughter. What could possibly make your backyard soiree any better? The Martin wood-burning fire pit is the perfect addition to any get-together. Regardless of your current patio decor, this fire pit will become the refined focal point that brings it all together. Stockpile some hefty logs, as this fire pit can handle it. Surrounded by mesh, its deep 12-inch bowl allows you to set up the logs however you would like. Whether you are roasting some tasty treats or simply enjoying the ambience, the Martin is a durable fire pit that will not disappoint. Gather the troops and start relaxing, you won't want to miss out. Pros: sleek finish, ready to grill, keep your fire burning, removable mesh cover. Cons: beautiful but deformed from fire. Look for the link in the description box below. If there is another product on the market or if you found one worth your purchase, let us know in the comments section. If you would like to see a future review, also subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon, so you'll know when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time on the Reviewly channel.